Tarp out. It'll leak for a little bit, but then we're gonna yank the tailgate. Come on, we gotta get this down here.
The hairs that don't exist on my arm.
Yeah. Alright, okay.
Stand it up. Here. Oh, I have. Can I go through watch it from your car?
Yeah, go for it.
What is that gonna help this work?
This car barely moves, by the way.
Oh my, the tarp is moving. The water. That was so funny. I wanna get in it.
Oh man.
It needs. Yeah, no, you're fine.
Look at the color. Wait, hold on. Wait for me to take this shirt off.
Alright, come back up. Look, chill out.
We're dumping. Yeah. Yeah.
Already? I thought you were waiting till dark.
Oh, it's a little dark. What?
Yeah, I have been in that pool for 5 hours now.
It's not gonna work.
Not to be a jackass, but I'm probably stronger than one of you.
Alright, now pull.
Here,
Now pull.
take this camera.
Okay, is it videotaping?
Yeah.
Alright, right now? Oh, we're still recording. Okay. Oh my god, you're pulling the damn truck.
My phone will take
Oh no, we have video right here.
What?
Guys,
Okay.
there's like gallons and gallons of water in there. What are you doing?
Yeah, no, we can't do this.
Yeah,
Go open the gate. Just open it. I know.
We're getting the tarp out so we can get a nice one.
Slip and slide. Dude.
What?
Kelly, I am not going to slip and slide on this. No, I've done it before. Not on a tarp. Yeah. On this part. Okay, yeah, not on gravel. I did it on grass.
All right.
No.
You might want to move. You guys all ready?
Oh, Matt. Okay. Give us a 1, 2, 3 here.
Did buckets on my plant yet?
No. No.
It's full of oil. You don't want it on your plant. Check it out. I can skimboard on this.
Oh my god. That's the best 3 minutes of video ever. Oh my god.
It's really warm.
Let's go play in the puddle. As it moves, I'm gonna go through and touch it. Still coming.
This part of the.
I wish I had a puddle. Hey, cool. It's really deep too. Oh my god.
This is
Yeah. It's really warm water, actually. We should bottle this and put it back in your truck. It's warm because it's running against the hot asphalt. Yes. But yeah.
I'm going to lay down on that track.
Next cold.
Yeah, I'm free.
What is this? Is not how water works.
Look at those
Oh,
moving rocks and
up
everything.
there.
This is great. It's really deep too.
Oh, will it make it all the way to the drain?
It will. Of course it will. That's why drains are there.
Fuck
Not
you.
a problem.
Video.
It's really warm water. It's really
That's crazy.
This drain hasn't seen this much water in a week.
This is the dirtiest water ever. Why am I standing in that? show you.
Is it still recording?
Yes.
Oh.
4.
Jesus Christ.
It's so thick.
Well, there was a lot of water in that truck. There was a lot of water in that truck.
Oh man.
Does it look like my shocks came back to normal?
No.
Yeah, they're back to normal now. Are you sure it's normal and not just, broken?
How is your brother not going to notice this? Is my real question.
He won't. It's just, it rained somewhere. Dry up.
Can we just show him the?
It only rained on
It rained in a straight line from Matt's truck to the drain.
It will dry up by the time he's home. No, it rained on that hill.
No, it was a rainstorm. They funneled it all into your trunk for safety.
I need a towel. You need a jacket and a chain. Chain. Oh, that's cold up here. Yes, good. We're back to normal. Yep, your shacks are back. Picture.
All right.